What is up, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a different kind of video. It's going to be a product review on a cleaner. I've never really done that before. A company called Super Clean sent me out a product, a few products that they make to test out on the X3. They make a powerful degreaser. It's meant for cleaning up, oil, wax, grease, stuff like that. Not necessarily only for automotive purposes. For the most part, I'll be using this product for just cleaning the X3. So you have to dilute the product depending on what you're using it for. For engine components, you can use it at full strength. So this is a wheel cleaner here. I'll go ahead and try that on our wheels. And then this is the same as this, I guess. Basically, they're all kind of the same, just in a different form. Okay, so that's in an aerosol can. Obviously, it's probably going to come out as a foam. This is just a spray on. I'm guessing it's going to come out kind of clear. We'll see. And then this is a foam. So I'll probably do the foam first. Let it sit on the motor for a little bit, and then spray it off, and then I'll finish it off with the wheel cleaner when I'm all done. I'll go ahead and spray it on, and I'm probably going to use a different product. They don't make like an actual wash, for like a car or whatever. So I'll use a different washing product for the plastics. But we'll take a look at the wheels and the engine and all that after we're done, see how good of a job it did. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, it's been on there for 5 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and crank up the pressure washer. You can kind of see it's turning into like I don't know, it almost seems like it's lifting it. But it's been on there for 5 minutes, so I'll go ahead and start the pressure washer up and spray her off. Okay, not sure if you can see it that well or not on video, but it definitely did a great job. And after sitting for about 5 minutes, you could see the dirt actually kind of lift off and kind of come together. It's weird, I can't really describe it, but normally when I spray off my machine after it's dirty, you got to like hold the pressure washer on one spot for several seconds before it finally breaks free, and then you move on to the next spot. Well, with this stuff, it literally came off the second the water hit it, so it works great. Unbelievable how well that works. One thing I did purposely too is I sprayed this tire with the degreaser on the rubber. I haven't done the wheel yet, just to see if it would get the dirt off. And I sprayed it with the pressure washer. And then I did the same thing on this one, except I didn't spray the degreaser, I just sprayed it with the pressure washer. And you can see the film of mud still on there. So the water itself isn't going to take it off that good. Alright, unfortunately my my pressure washer died on me. Looks like it blew some type of seal on the bottom, so I have to use just the a nozzle for the hose. But I got it all cleaned up. I'm going to try the wheel cleaner here real quick. Although the wheels kind of look somewhat clean, but you can kind of tell if you look close. There's some dirt and grime in the little corners. So okay guys, you can see it's basically dry, and there's not much dirt, mud, or anything left on here. Unbelievable. It's like new again. I mean, I live on the East Coast where we go through some real muddy, nasty trails. It's not like the West Coast where you're out in sand all day long. We get lots of mud caked on pretty much every part of this machine, and I just can't believe how well it come off. For the most part, it looks really good. It you know, this isn't a finishing product, it's just to get the dirt and grease and grime off of the machine. After that's done, you can go back over it with a different product of your choice. I like to use SC1, so I'll go ahead and hit it with that after it's completely dry. Maybe a little Armor All, stuff like that. Nothing too crazy, because I mean it's just going to get completely mudded up the next time I go out. So, but it definitely got rid of the dirt and grime. Looks good. You can see some spots where I missed. So you can kind of see the difference between what it looked like before and what it looked like after the degreaser did its job. But I give it 2 thumbs up. I'll leave a link in the description of the video for you guys to go to their homepage and check out the products. But I guess that's it for now, guys. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you later.